Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your camera, iPhone, or SD card. Make sure it shows in Finder. Open Image Capture right away and select that device from the left column. This tells Mac OS which source to access. Once selected, pick an import to destination and choose whether to delete originals after import. Make sure file naming and format preferences match your workflow. Now you're ready to preview thumbnails and begin importing immediately. Don't delay. Start the transfer while you set options. Once thumbnails appear, scan quickly and select the shots you need. Use Shift for ranges and Command for non-contiguous pics. Choose Import for selected photos or Import All to copy everything. Alternatively, drag images directly into a folder or Photos app. Make sure to set Delete after import only when you're sure backups exist, and configure file naming to avoid collisions. If you handle RAW plus JPEG, decide which to keep. Keep an eye on transfer speed. It affects workflow timing. You finish by verifying imports in Finder or Photos, confirming file names and metadata are intact. This prevents lost shots. Then organize files into folders, apply tags or batch rename to match your system, and always eject the device safely to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, first check cable and power, then the device trust prompts. Once done, restart image capture or your Mac. If detection still fails, try a different port or adapter. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.